We're having a great old time here at Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, and we hope you are too. And we hope you enjoyed this one from our archives.
If you're like me and live in one of the 31 states that requires 2 license plates, but you don't want to put one on the front of your nice looking bumper, we're going to take care of that today. It's why we have Mike here with us from Sto N Sho. And Mike, what a simple thing that you have here that's going to help us not get a ticket. Tell us a little bit about it.
Yeah, this is a two-piece mounting system. It comprises of a base plate that mounts up underneath the car and then a front plate that slides in that allows you to be legal, but also gives you the opportunity to remove it when you either want to show your car or wash it or whenever you feel like running without a front plate.
Absolutely. And on a lot of the vehicles, like the C7 that we have here today, I mean, you guys have a lot of vehicles that you cover with your product, but you try to use what's available from the factory, and that's why on the Vet here, it's just the 2 front screws.
Correct. Whenever possible, we try to take advantage of factory mounting locations. However, there are some applications where it's not available, so then if you do have to drill holes in it, it's up underneath or either in the deflector panel, or if it's in a painted surface, it's where it's not going to do any damage, where you'd be able to see it. It'd be totally inconspicuous once you remove the plate.
Yes, and it's so easy. We're just going to, there's a pin that's right here. This is going to stay on the car, correct? All right. So using the 2 factory screws, I'm going to go ahead and put this in here. And we're not going to be able to see this. This is what's really nice.
Yeah.
So we'll just stick this down in here. What is this made out of, Mike?
Yeah, the bracket itself is made out of aluminum. So it's all locally made here in like where our company's located. It's all made in the U.S.
All right.
We have a company that does the laser cutting, another company that does the fabrication, and then another company that does the anodizing.
And we don't want to over-tighten this.
Yeah, but they can tighten for you. And it's kind of, we started with just originally doing like the Corvette and the Camaros and that, but now we have up to 180 SKUs, and we do from performance cars, the luxury cars, the Jaguar, the BMW, the Porsche.
Just pull the pin?
The whole thing.
Pull the pin.
Slide it
Hold
in.
it.
Lock it in place.
Lock it in place. Well, the Sto N Sho quick release license plate bracket, Mike, isn't just for show, it is also for go too. Like, going out, having fun with our Jeep, but we need to be able to get to the winch.
Correct. We noticed that people that had like the fair leads for either the plate or the roller had no place to put a license plate when they were after they mounted a winch. So we designed that. It's pretty simple installation, whereas all you have to do is loosen up the 2 bolts on the roller fair lead, pull it forward, slide the plate in, and you're done.
All right, let's see how this goes here. You want me to hold that, Mike?
Yeah, if you don't mind, and I'm going to loosen up the bolts here. I'll take that from you.
Okay, yeah, because we can see where they are right here. You can get right in there and do this. How many different products did you say that you had again, Mike?
Well, we have approximately about 180 SKUs.
So we had the Vet. You talked about, lots of other different models, not just the GM stuff, not just the Jeeps.
Correct.
We're going to be able to see all of those on your website, too.
Absolutely, yeah. We list the full line there. So I'll hand you that if you don't mind.
Yeah, how does that slide in?
So once it's loose, you just pull it forward, and it creates a little gap in the back, and then these 2 prongs, they slide right in the back, right like that. You slide it down until it's flush, and then simply tighten it back up, and I'll
do that. Tighten
that up real quick.
Okay.
Snugs that up.
And Mike, all of your products made in the USA. Of course, you are an Air Force veteran, which is really cool. Got started in all of this. You can go ahead and tighten that up.
That last one up there. Get that wrench
back in
there. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it's good. I got it right there.
Okay.
Okay, so once that's snugged up,
then we can just pull the pin.
Pull the pin again.
Pull the pin, stick it in. There
lock
we go.
into place, and there you go.
But I want to have some fun.
Okay.
So this is what I find really fun. You went ahead and made a GoPro mount. So we're going to be able to put our camera in here when we're out having some fun. We're not going to have to worry about suction cups or anything like that. And again,
uses the exact same mounting spot.
Right, it just locks into place.
Pull it, slide it in, and it's locked into place.
There you go. I love it. You can find out more about all their different products for your vehicle. Like I said, if you live in one of those 31 states that you need 2 license plates, or heck, you just want to be able to put the camera on the front, just go to their website.
And you can find more Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings just around the corner.